Covering Florida, just hours ago, a judge signed an order dismissing paperwork from Florida school boards against the state's Department of Health. That petition challenged a rule giving parents the right to opt their child out of masking and quarantining due to the pandemic. We sent you this alert about it through the ABC 27 News app shortly after it was published today, but the fight is far from over.
Now at 11, ABC 27's Cara Bailey explains what lawyers plan to do next to help protect home rule.
An appeals process is now underway as 6 Florida school districts work to protect local authority and overturn the state's mask mandate ban. At the direction of state leaders, the Department of Health issued an emergency order September 22nd that required districts to allow parents to opt their children out of wearing a mask without a doctor's signature. Lawyers representing 6 contesting school boards hope to prove the order was unfounded.
Our view is that in order to have an emergency rule, you need to have an immediate danger, which means something sudden or unforeseen had to have happened.
But failed in court.
The judge's ruling was based upon his view that it was a continuing danger, that COVID is a continuing danger, and that is sufficient to justify an immediate danger under the statute.
In a written statement, Leon County School Superintendent Rocky Hanna said the ruling is, quote, disappointing, but given the challenges faced going up against the Department of Health and the Office of the Governor, not surprising. In an effort to prevent agencies from having unfettered access to creating similar laws in the future, Cole and his team have already filed an appeal.
The appellate court will be reviewing the decision of the administrative law judge to determine whether he made any errors. We believe that he made very clear legal errors.
They also plan to request expedited action ahead of the emergency order's expiration. In Tallahassee, Cara Bailey, ABC 27.
And taking a closer look at the issue, Leon County Schools is in compliance with that mask mandate ban after they removed the requirement for kids to wear a mask during quarantine period. The State Board of Education confirms it will return all the funds that it withheld from the district. Superintendent Rocky Hanna says the policy change was because they were seeing COVID numbers decrease around the school district, not because they wanted to be in compliance with the law.